I have purchased an RC rock crawler from Amazon.in. The price of this car vary between 1500 to 1800 rupees. So let's unbox it and see how the car is. Liking for this video will be 60 likes. Let's see if we can complete that. It is a 4-wheel drive RC car with a speed up to 20 kilometers per hour. So let's just open the box. Inside the box we get an instruction manual. Here is a small box which contains the battery and the charger of the car. So let me just put the batteries inside the car and the controller. The car comes with 700 mAh battery which gives the backup of 10 to 20 minutes. The controller uses 2 AA batteries. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and also give your valuable feedback in the comment section.
We about to turn it on. Turn it on.